Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn to use the Revolve, hole, and circular pattern. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint in the center of this line. And the first thing that we make, we'll create this line here, and this line here, and this one. This line here has 20.5 millimeters of length, and the distance between this point here and this point is 5 millimeters, and the angle between this line here and this one is 45 degrees. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, click here in the midpoint, make this sketch here, and go to sketch dimension. The angle between these two lines, 45 degrees. The distance here, 5 millimeters. And the length of this line here is 20.5. I will move this a little bit. And now we will create this line here and this one. This line here has 3 millimeters of length. And the distance between this line here and the midpoint is 15 millimeters, the radius of this diameter here. So select line, click here in this point, make this line here, and go to sketch dimension. The distance here, 15 millimeters, and this line here has 3 millimeters of length. And let me move this dimension here a little bit. And here we have a line here and another line here. This line here has 8.5 millimeters of length. So select line, click here in this point, close the sketch here, go to sketch dimension. The length here is 8.5 millimeters. And make sure that this line here is horizontal with this point here. And finish the sketch, go to Revolve, select this profile, the axis, select this line here, the operation new body, and press OK. We made this part. And now we will create these 4 holes here. So we will create a reference, this point here for reference. The distance between this point and the midpoint is 10 millimeters. So go to create a sketch, select this face, and go to create, select a point, make a point here, and go to sketch dimension. The distance here, 10 millimeters, and go to constraint, select the horizontal vertical, select this point and the midpoint. Now finish the sketch. And this hole has 5 millimeters of diameter through this body. So go to hole, select this point here, and the extend, select all, the hole type, select simple, the tape type, select simple, and the diameter here is 5 millimeters, and press OK. We made this one. And now we need to create the others 3 holes. So to create this, we will go to circular pattern and the object type, select the features, the object, select this hole, and the axis, select this axis here, and the distribution full, and the quantity here is 4, and press OK. We made this. So here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.